Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to display your Android device's refresh rate right on your screen. This feature can be really useful if you want to know whether you're getting the smooth experience your phone promises. Let's dive right in. If you haven't already, please remember to like and subscribe to support the channel. First, we need to access the developer settings. To do this, go ahead and open up the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll down and select Developer Settings. If you don't see it, you might need to enable developer options by going to About Phone and tapping Build Number 7 times. Once you're in developer settings, scroll down until you find the debugging section. Here, look for an option called Show Refresh Rate. Simply toggle that feature on, and there you go. Now you'll see your device's refresh rate displayed right on the screen. This number will update in real time as you use your device. However, keep in mind that not all apps support high refresh rates, and using a higher refresh rate can drain your battery faster. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily monitor and adjust your device's refresh rate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more quick Android tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.